Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 12th of February with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Let's move on to Eurodollar now, and well, in the last 3 days Eurodollar's basically been flat, consolidating in front of this Eurogroup meeting. Look at these three doji candlesticks basically saying nothing doing. And again today, on the back of the fact that we've had no real outcome from that Eurogroup meeting, there's nothing doing again. So it's still waiting for it's still consolidating, still waiting for a trigger, and the technicals are becoming increasingly flat. RSI basically flat at 40. MACD lines are still actually rising slightly. Stochastics are sort of flattening off as well. And on the intraday chart as well, we're still fairly neutral. But it's interesting actually, in the last hour or so, that news out from Minsk about the Russians coming to some sort of ceasefire agreement with the Ukrainians is interesting, because that sort of will help to drive a little bit of euro support, I think, and it seems to be slightly coming through. Nothing too major yet. The resistance at 1360 remains intact. But still, I think that could give a little bit of a lift, and it certainly seems as though the hourly RSI is still improving slightly. MACD lines gradually just becoming above neutral on the hourly chart, and also stochastics turning up. So there are very, very slight signs of improvement on this hourly chart, but nothing too interesting to get your get the blood pumping quite yet. But still, I think you'd say that we're still in this neutral phase. I mentioned in the morning report that we've got this 21-day moving average, which is now falling at 1395, and this remains played a fairly reasonable role as a basis of resistance. Even, if I zoom back a little bit, you can see that it played a role of resistance before in November and December. So it is a fairly reasonable basis of resistance, and that is slightly higher, so that is interesting as well. That continues to fall down, but we've still got this consolidation, and until we get, I think you're going to have to get some sort of fundamental news, and maybe that fundamental news is the ceasefire agreement with Russia and Ukraine. Maybe that will help to drive the euro higher. But until we get some sort of concrete breakout above 1360, I think this consolidation is just going to continue. In terms of support, 1260, as I said again, 1260 is the basis of support to the downside. So I wish you good luck in your trading on euro today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.